Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to put a dbrand skin on your new iPhone. Stay tuned. Alright, so first things first is you're going to want to take out your dbrand. Okay, so once you get the packaging off, you're going to see your dbrand skins. I got the concrete one, as you can see. Now I'm just going to take it out. So, in the packaging you're going to get two skins. One that will go all around the phone, including the edges, and one that will just go around the back. Alright, so now let's bring out the phone. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to wipe down the back side of the phone. Alright, see, and then here's the little cloth that they give you with their dbrand on it. Once you get done wiping it down, you're going to want to grab your skin, remove your skin, then you're going to want to reattach it like so. Then you have the camera wide open. Just going to go and put this on so it fits around the camera. I'm just going to press down. And then you're going to lift up and then take out the rest. And then you're just going to apply down. The next step is you're going to want to get a hairdryer, because then you're going to want to get the sides all fitted to your phone. So let me just go grab that real quick. Alright, so now once you got your hairdryer, you're going to want to use it. Let's go and blow dry all the four corners. Alright, once you do that, you just want to keep rubbing your finger against it repeatedly, about 10 to 15 times. And then just like that, you have your new iPhone XS with the dbrand skin on. Alright, so now that you got done with just doing the glass back, how about we go and do the all-around dbrand skin now. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so first thing that you're going to want to do is clean the back just like you did with the last one. Alright, now once you get that done, you want to go ahead and get the skin itself. So what I just did was I totally peeled it off, and then I just aligned this to match the line back here. So then you want your back end, so where the speaker holes go, you want to line that up first. Make sure it's all firm. Press on down. Alright, once you get to this stage, what you're going to want to do is you want to grab the blow dryer and then just like that, and you want to really make sure that this right here does not get all lumpy. Alright, so then you're just going to want to kind of push this down a little bit to get this all firm. Next thing that you're going to want to do is turn it around, line up the camera. There it is, the camera's all lined up. Keep pushing down, applying pressure. Anyways, yeah, so it's looking good so far. Now I'm going to try to get the top and then go on to the sides. You want to use your blow dryer yet again. Once you got that, just what you want to do is first press against this and then up, and then make sure you're making this kind of motion too, because then you don't want to get a lump right along there. Now let's move on to the next step. So now the next step is you want to go and heat the sides. So let's go and do that. Alright, so now line up the buttons. Alright, so once you go and get that side, let's go ahead and get this side. So now I got both sides, the back, and now it's time to get the last parts and try to make this look perfect. So let's go ahead and get to it, huh? First you just, again, blow dry all the sides, all the corners. There's this side, just like that, and then the back side. Let's go and get the rest. Alright, so I came up to the finished product, and it was definitely hard. Still have like, it's not flawless, but I mean, definitely it looks prime. Like, it complements the gold very nicely, if this will focus. But yeah, it complements the gold, and so me personally, I highly recommend the concrete style. It feels nice, it looks nice, I think it's right for you. So here's the full body, and then here is just the back glass. So again, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. See you later.